Hey collectors, let's check a 2022 Matchbox Moving Parts Waves. A Wave 1, a Land Rover Range Rover Evoque with opening doors. A 2016 Ram Ambulance with opening rear doors of the ambulance. A 1965 Volkswagen Fastback Type 3 with opening doors. A 1965 Land Rover Generation 2 pickup with opening side doors. A 2016 Chevy Camaro with opening front engine hood. Let's check out Wave 2 cars. A 1932 Ford pickup with opening side doors. A 2020 BMW M4 Cabriolet with opening side doors. A 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo LS with opening doors. A 1978 Subaru Brat with opening front engine hood. A 2016 Corvette Stingray with opening front engine hood. Let's check out some Wave 3 cars by Matchbox Moving Parts. A 2021 Mazda MX-30 with opening rear hatchback. A Seagrove fire truck with moving ladders. A 2016 Corvette Stingray with opening front engine hood. A Duco with opening rear doors. A 1975 Range Rover with opening front engine hood. Let's check out Wave 4, a Henry J. Gasser with opening front engine hood. A Toyota FJ Cruiser with opening side doors. A 2020 Chevy Corvette with opening rear engine hood. A 2016 BMW i8 with opening gull wing doors. A 1961 Jeep FC 170 with opening rear loader. Let's check out Wave 5, a 2021 Ford Bronco with opening side doors. A 2018 Land Rover Vogue SC with opening rear hatchback. A 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police with opening rear doors. A 1978 Subaru Brat in black this time with opening front engine hood. A 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix with opening side doors. A 2019 Ford Mustang with opening side doors. And a 1975 Mitsubishi Lancer Celestial with opening front engine hood. Let's check out Wave 6, a 1972 Volkswagen Beetle Dragster with opening complete body. A 1964 Chevy C10 pickup with opening front engine hood. A Ford GT40 with opening rear engine hood. A Porsche 550 Spider with opening rear engine hood. A 1956 Morris Minor with opening front engine hood. A 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL with opening side doors. Let's check out Wave 7 cars. A 1994 Mitsubishi Evolution 4 with opening front engine hood. A GMC Hummer Heavy with opening front engine hood. A Mercedes-Benz G500 Cabrio with opening front engine hood. A 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT with opening front engine hood. A 1950 Chevy Suburban with opening front engine hood. A Pagani Huayra Roadster with opening rear engine hood. A 2019 Ford Ranger with opening front engine hood. and a 1962 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE with opening side doors. Let's check out Wave 8. A 1995 Volkswagen Golf MK3 with opening rear hatchback. A 2020 Nissan Leaf with opening side doors. A 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo with opening side doors. A 1936 Ford Sedan Custom with opening doors. A Tesla Model X with opening gull-wing doors. A Range Rover Evoque with opening side doors. And a 1965 Land Rover Generation 2 pickup with opening side doors. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further updates.